I've been working on are the plants that I bought, and I put these in here. That's so pretty. I love this. I have another piece to this too, but it's sitting outside because it got diseased with gnats. And these two. And I am also working on these crazy aloes. I've never seen anything like it. I don't know if it's a different kind of aloe, but I'm used to ones that stand up straight, kind of like these amaryllis. I'm used to those kind. So I'm trying to straighten them out. Look how curvy they are. I mean, the roots are just so curvy and crazy. So we'll see if they live or die. I would like to have one. This one's looking really pretty. I just put her in, and she's kind of wet, but I hope she doesn't rot. So we'll see what that does. And I'm just going to leave her in the middle of the table here, and hopefully she does okay. This was Big Mama, I think. And I'm wondering if I couldn't, well, all our roots are down here. I don't know. But it's ugly, you know. I don't know if I could put her down in that far so she wouldn't be so ugly, and just see what she does. I may do that. But I have a lot of curvy ones. So I'll get rid of some of these that are just no good. And then plant these back in and try to do them straight up and down and go from there. I've never had aloe that would do that. I don't know if it may be a different variety, something like that. I don't know. And these, I'll work on these too. Look at that. It's all, goodness, I didn't even put water in it. I'm going to stick this down in there straight, and I'll do something with that too. I just want to make them look a little nicer. But that's looking pretty for the moment. Went out and checked out my hut and shut the lights off on them because the lights have been on it. I have two ranunculus that are sprouting, and my veggies are sprouting, and I want to try to get my pictures up. I like to do my family tree, kind of. I have so many pictures, it's ridiculous. All right, that's all I'm doing today. I got 3 things in the works. That's my mom and dad. We were farmers. And that's some of our family. My mom, aunts and uncles, and my grandma that I really didn't know. I think she passed away when I was about 6 months old of cancer. But yeah, I just put them up real quick. I just need to get them off the bed. I've got them sorted out, kind of. I have more to put up too, but I want to put this all up here. But I need to make it secure. And this is my grandkids when they were little. There's Thomas, Demetrius, Patrick. Just a lot of fun. I miss the grandbabies. It breaks my heart. They're all grown up. My youngest is in 3rd grade. No Lisianthus. No Lisianthus for me. I think I'm just going to give up. I'm tired of buying packages after packages to try that, just to not be able to get it to grow. But my lemon tree's doing good. And all these are doing good. But no, Lisianthus, nope. Not gonna do it, she says. I don't like you. Okay. Then we'll just not worry about you next year. That's all I got to say. Okay. You all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Can't even see it.
See, when Rob was here, we set it to kick on at 38, so it should kick on right now.
He just keeps sleeping.
Oh, but you heard it trip. So see, it's still filling, or it's still kicking on at 38, but it's only filling to 50 psi. So what I'm hoping is...
Yeah. Are you in the movies? You should be. You're so pretty. My little hunter. See that little hunter? Where's Lucy? Lucy hasn't been feeling too good lately. Is he sleeping? We'll leave her alone. Alright, I'm going to try to put this cover on. This couch is the most comfortable couch ever. And we can't seem to get rid of it. We got it at Nebraska Furniture, and I'm telling you what, we have slept on this couch. We have sat on the couch when it's gloomy and nasty out and just cuddled up, and oh, it's a great couch. But my kitties, Simba especially, she likes to scratch. She's got this all scratched up, and that up front, and there. I've tried tape, I've tried a lot of things, and she just, I got her a new pole, and scratch pads. This is the tag. This is the tag. I don't know how good we can see. You can see from me. And I'm assuming it goes to the back. That's what I've kind of seen. I had to go to YouTube to see, but it was a 30-second deal, and it took 2 people. They just went whoop, whoop, and then put the little, I've got these little styrofoam things to push down so it differentiates the seats and all that. Okay, well, it doesn't look like it should be right. It doesn't look like it should be that way, because there's a crease right there. I think the way I had it was probably the way it was supposed to be. Mine's a 3-seater. Well, that might be 1 seat. This might be another seat. And this might be the other seat. Well, maybe it goes to the front. Let's see if it works. And the ties, you're supposed to leave them out so that you can tie it underneath. I don't know. I don't know if this is right or not. I'm just going to do this right now. Stretch it this way. It's very stretchy. We'll just get the arms. And that don't seem right. I don't know. Okay, let's pull this up and see what it looks like. I could use another person, but I thought maybe I can do it myself, just little at a time. See what it looks like up here. I'm gonna put this side table, pull it out. I even bought little sticky boards to stick on my couch. Pretty nice, huh? They didn't have them in black, which would have been better. I may have to wait till my husband gets home. figure this thing out. Because really, I have a gray one too. So when we paint, we can turn it gray if we wanted to. Alright, see, that doesn't seem right. There's too much right there. This should be somewhere. How about that? I think I might have had it on the right way before. So, you know what? So let's do that. Let's do it like it's supposed to go on an end. No instructions, but looked pretty easy when I looked at the video. This don't seem like it's correct either now. You like my camo? I seen them in the closet the other day and I'm like, hey, I could be wearing those. I hadn't wore them yet. My husband got them when we first moved here. And they're I don't see anything that looks like it would be fitted over here, unless it's supposed to go this way. And I'm assuming it should be really tight. So, I don't know what that's there for. See, that kind of fits right. I just need to pull it over more. Well, I think I'm going to wait till my husband gets home and finish it to make sure it's kind of lining up with the lines. It just doesn't seem right up here somehow. Well, you know what? I'm going to wait till my husband gets home. That's all I got to do. I got it this far. I cleaned it out real well. And, oh boy, did I clean it out. I didn't realize that there was more of a extension out the back. And there was so much stuff in there. I found a little hairband. I found a peppermint. And I found one of their little black mousies. So, okay, I'm gonna wait till my husband gets home, see what he thinks. And we'll get this on there tonight. Maybe he can figure it out better than I can. And maybe my couch is a lot bigger than what this is supposed to be. I don't know. Okay. Guys, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.